So, lumiwanag na yung kanina, ang dilim-dilim. Galakad na kami, malapit na kami sa Epic Mall. Ang dalawang tenders ay nandito na naman. Ayan yung Jollibee. Ay, malapit na.
December.
Open ang aming Jollibee dito sa
Lahat ng bata na 1
Nagilian.
to 30.
Ay, may free. Wow. Meal. Ito na siya.
May pack.
Oo nga. Ito na yung ito na yung bagong Jollibee. Will be open on when? Ito yung tabi ng gasolinahan. Mag-open siya sa December. So, if you pass to the Gillian, you can drop by here. The only fast food. Yeah, only Jollibee.
Fast food.
Yeah, baka laging puno. Isa na ako. Isa na si baby. Magbibibi, magbabata na siya dyan. Ay, there is
Hindi. Wala naman dito.
Why they are beep, 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 beep. Oh my God, this is the lumaywanag na kaagad. Here is the Gillian Road. This is the only mall in the Gillian. We call this Epic Mall.
The only one.
The only one. Hi, how is your morning, babe?
Same.
Same what? Same what? Bad or good? Good? No. Parang hindi ka tumatahimik. Parang tahimik.
Hindi ko masagot kung good o
Why?
not good.
Yeah, be good. Be positive. Like me, always positive. Okay. So, ayan na siya. Ayan na, malapit na siya. Oh, ayan oh. Ayan na. Yan, talagang minamadali nila yan. Minamadali na nila yan oh, yung Jollibee.
Matatapos pa yan sa isang buwan.
Ay,
Wala ng isang buwan.
1 month to go, mag-open siya ng...
Basta wala ng isang buwan.
Ay,
Ayun
walang
kung December
mag-open na siya. So, welcome to my vlog. Watch my
Nagbahay-bahay na nga yung
video and my reels, stories, and other of my videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to say bye because we're going to go over there near the river. Okay, bye. See you.